Okay, rookies Mazda, Ledenon, qualified sort of middle towards the back actually. I haven't done that well.
Green, green, green.
Need to do a bit more practice around here. I'm normally quite good, but I'm struggling a little bit. I've just been driving the Delara LMP2. Got completely smashed to pieces in the first corner
Car on your left.
at Watkins Glen. But obviously that's got a lot more grip than these have. So this has been a bit of a...
Clear. Car on your left.
I've struggled a bit, let's put it that way.
Clear.
I just want to keep out of trouble after that last race. Getting smashed to bits.
Clear.
So I guess I'm giving up some spots here.
Left side. Stay on the right. You're on the right. 3 wide. Car on your left. 2 wide. Clear. Left side.
So where the hell are they going?
Side. 2 wide.
I mean, that's just crashing for the sake of it, isn't it?
Car on your left.
I don't know what that's about.
Still there. Hold your line. Clear.
Okay, let's let him go. Yeah, this guy's quick, isn't he? He seems very keen. Anyway, I don't know where we are. 9th, yeah. I've just, like I say, I've had a terrible race. And I just wanted to finish. And I'm not going to finish like that, am I? Bloody hell. All over the place. Okay, well, let's follow this Carlos chap. He seemed pretty quick. I've got to give up some time. He's going to go by.
Left side.
Okay, where have I worked myself to the back? Oh, successfully navigated my way to the back again.
10 minutes to go. Car right.
Got one anyway.
On the right.
So he's gone off. Oh my goodness. I'm normally pretty good in the Mazda, but this is not working for me. Two off tracks already. Taking a lot of curb there. I was expecting a penalty then. Yeah, it's really odd coming to this after having loads of downforce. It's feeling quite loose. These are a little bit tail lappy as well sometimes. Another off track. Bloody hell. Okay, where are we? Oh, we're at the back. This is not good. Oh, what's going wrong? Okay, we got there. Got there eventually. Made the apex, found it somehow. Can we keep up with this lot? Yeah, Mazda, the say the Mazda, all Mazdas. The red one wants to get by, I think. Looks like he's got a bit of pace. Not going to get by there though. Not safely anyway. I think we're keeping with him now though. Which is good. Not done a clean lap yet though. He overcommitted there, didn't he? Finally. This will be a clean lap, won't it? I think. Looks like it.
P1, just set the fastest lap. 34.15.
Crikey, we're miles off, aren't we?
4.795.
Oh, actually, it's not too bad.
On the left. Go right. Left side. Clear.
It's a bit of a rejoin, wasn't it? Bloody hell, driving straight at me. Let me get back on him again. I hope so. I don't know if I should come down to first there or not. I'm not sure. He's definitely overcommitting to that turn, isn't he, that red car? And the red car behind cost us a load of time this lap. And he's closing a bit as well. He's probably a bit quicker than us, is he?
The car in P1, just set the fastest
Well,
lap.
maybe not.
33.9.
Gosh.
3.
33s, that's pretty good.
892. Slow car ahead. Car stops.
Okay. Somebody else off.
Right. Car on your left. Still there.
Okay. He wanted to come across there, didn't he?
Clear.
Not having it though. Let him battle it out with the guy behind, I think. It's quite a tricky little track, this. He's on the wrong line there, isn't he?
Left side. Still there. Hold your line.
Well, this is not good.
You're in
What the hell's he doing?
car right. 2 wide. Clear.
Getting his elbows out, isn't he? Wanted to make some room, didn't he? That's how you have accidents, though, isn't it?
36.75. Car 1 is up the front.
Come on, Tom, I need you to pick it up.
Okay. Looks like somebody's gone off. Well, that's held us all up, isn't it?
Right side.
Christ almighty.
Keep to the left.
He was going, wasn't he? Bloody hell. Well, I'm getting beaten up here, but we're having a good race. Clearly, we don't have the pace of this lot.
The leader is running.
And we are getting beaten up, but
979. 36.381. Car on your left. Stay on the right. Still there, hold your line. Keep to the right. Clear on the left.
he's in the way. I couldn't turn in. I over-rotated. Can I get back on him? We'll see. Crikey, all over the place. Oh well, white flag.
One more lap to go.
Is there going to be some shenanigans, do we think?
37.127.
What do we reckon? Last minute moves.
You got a slow car on the left.
Yeah, that's one car.
Go right.
Okay, he's spinning around. What's this white car doing? Is he slow? Looks like it.
Slow car ahead. Car stop on the left. Car stopped ahead. Car stopped ahead. Go right.
Okay, now what then?
Right side. Keep to the left. Clear on the right.
Okay, we'll take that one. We'll take that one. He's quick behind, but he's not going to catch. Yeah, I'm taking that. 6th. I'm pleased with that. That could have been a lot worse.
On the left.
That could have been a lot worse. Okay, start was okay. Got away all right. And let's see where it started going wrong for people then. So 3 abreast. So this was us, wasn't it? So these two, I mean... Yeah, just drove through him, didn't he? He was very lucky just to keep going, wasn't he, that guy? Okay, then what we got? Yeah, they're very easy to lose like that. Very easy. That was the leaders, wasn't it? That was 2nd place. Oh, what's he done? Just overcorrected, hit the gravel. Unfortunate. And then, what's happened there then? Nothing? Is that Ferrari again? Gosh. Bloody hell. He's a menace, isn't he? Whoever that was. Is he going to take someone else out, is he? Well, not sure if that was his fault or the other guy's fault. Well, he's in the picture a lot. Is he going to go for... Oh, no. He'd already gone off. Okay. Maybe there's a couple of those Ferraris. I'm not sure. Oh, that's... Yeah, that was us overtaking. There we go. You saw that one. That was a hell of a dive, wasn't it? Oh dear. And here's us coming through. And what's happened? Yes, that was lucky for us. That gave us the opportunity to come at the inside. I bet that pissed him off. And then he's tried to keep the place by just gunning it, but it backfired on him. And then what have we got here? Somebody... All right. They've had enough. I haven't even crossed the line though. That's just stupid, isn't it? There he goes. What a muppet. Okay, let's have a look at the results. So here we go then. That was second split out of 17. Wow. Surprised I was so high up actually. Lost some safety rating, not a surprise. Gained some I ratings, that's good news. Best lap was a 33.9. I managed a 34.7, so a fair bit off the pace. Leader doing a 34.5, 34.4, 34.7. So, I mean, not too far off. But yeah, struggled in those early laps, getting used to no grip and no aero downforce. But fun anyway, even though we were fighting near the back, we got involved in a few scraps, didn't we? So yeah, if you want to see more of this sort of stuff, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.